Hi guys, welcome to Make Money with Video. I'm Jay, and in today's video I'm going to share some YouTube niche ideas, and I'm going to show you roughly what they're making per month, and I'm going to show you ways how they can make extra money. So if you've not monetized and you've not met the standard like 1,000 YouTube subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, I'll show you ways how you can make money before that using affiliate marketing. Now, this is my channel. I upload videos of how to make money with different video apps on different social media sites. I share what I'm learning as I'm and when I've learned. So if you want to check it out, please feel free. And this channel is not monetized. I've got the subscribers, I've just not got the watch time. But I have got other channels. If you just bear with me, I will scroll down. Like, these are my other channels. I've got my video marketing one. I've just set it up this week. I've got my movies, games, beyond, where I make it with my lads, and this is doing well. This is my main one. I've got my Christmas every day, where I do Amazon affiliate, and then this is my son's, and I've got other channels, guys, but I'm not going to advertise them all on here. And so let's get into it. So the first, not in any particular order, guys, this is called Top 10 Zone. Now, this is a tech one. They do reviews, comparisons, testing, ranking. There's quite a lot of these on the internet. But according to Social Blade, they're making between $452 to 7.2. Now, all they're doing, guys, is they're doing like a top 10 of different sort of products. Now, these are great because people always want to come on and see which ones they want. So say, for instance, you're after a tent, yeah? You're not just going to go out and buy the first tent you see. So you want to, like, see some reviews in that. If they come on here and do the top 10 best, you're going to see them in action and that and get to know them a bit better and make your decision that way, guys. Look, top 10 must-have accessibles for gaming, yeah? Accessories, sorry. Top 10 washing machines. And then you can do this, guys. This is another one called Non-Influencer, and they reckon they're making they're making 6.2 a month, guys. Yeah, this is according to Influencer. Yeah, or Nox Influencer, I should say. So you can go to places like Amazon. You can type in like whatever's popular, guys, and then you can make top 10. I don't know, top 10 pair of shorts, top 10 Alexa things, top 10 deals of the day. Yeah, and you know what I mean, guys. You can just do what you want. Like, these are some stuff like top 10. I don't even know what it is, toothbrush or something like that. I don't know. Top 10 shelves, top 10 LED lights, and you get the idea, guys. You can do so much, guys. It don't have to be just tech. It could be anything. It could be toys. It can be gadgets. It can be hair products. It could be anything, guys. You can make a channel, and you don't have to show your face. You don't have to be on camera. Now, another one is positive affirmations, guys. Yeah, it's basically making you feel good. Yeah, and according to Social Blade, they're making between $29 and $459. According to Nox Influencer, they're making $791 per month. Now, which is more than what Social Blade is saying. So these videos, it's quite simple, guys. They're just a bit of stock footage in the background, yeah, a bit of music, calm music, whatever, and they've got like a nice little message on there, yeah. Same with this one, just a bit of, and they're easy to make, guys. You're keeping the same template for everyone. You're just changing the color, the message, and putting a different video in, depending on what you're talking about, yeah. And you can make extra money through a site called Digistore24 or any other. You can go to Amazon, you can go to ClickBank, but this is a good one. Digistore24, it sells all digital products. All I've clicked on there is spirituality, and you look, it tells you what you can make, how much commissions and that, and there's lots of different ones, guys. And all you do is promote, put your link in the description of the videos, yeah, and then when people click on it, you're going to make a commission. You're going to make like 75, like, look, $12, $23, different ones, $7, $5. It depends what you want to promote. $30. You've got so many options, guys. You can even put them all in if you really wanted to. Now, another one, guys, is animal wise. Yeah, an animal in the animal niche, and they're making between 561 to 9,000 per month, according to Knox Influencer. They're making just short of $5,000. So it's over half there, isn't it? And they're just making videos. They're using stock footage. Yeah, so you can go on sites like Pixabay, Pexels, you name it, guys. Just type in on Google free stock videos or even stock images, and you can upload them and then just talk. Well, you're talking about that, innit? Why is my cat still suckling? I don't even know what it means. What food is best for my dog? Yeah, and you just show stock images of it. And they're just talking about the pets and that, guys. So again, you can come over to places like Digistore 24. This is ClickBank. This is the one that I use a lot. And look, brain training for dogs. You can, if you're talking about dogs in your video, you can click on these. Doggy Dan's online dog trainer. Yeah. And then you just have a look, guys. You just come and one of the different headings and look for it, or you can search at the top for it. But these are the popular ones, like your dog training, your brain training, and that. Moving on, guys. Permission to exist. This one is like narcissist, yeah, about all that narcissism and all that, guys. They're making between $13 and $207, according to Knox Influencer. They're making $179 a month. But guys, I want to show you something. These I'm not. Oh no, they have. Yeah, sorry, guys. I was going to say they're not uploaded for so many months, but yeah, they're just making videos about like PTSD, not my baby, narcissism, cheating, yeah, stuff like that, guys. They're not showing the face, and you can go over to places like Digistore, type in. I put in dating, love, and relationships, and you can 90%, guys. You're going to earn 47. Yeah, you can just do different ones. It's secret obsession, making worship you. It's her secret desires. You name it, love and money, and a couple of relationships. You just promote them all if you really want to, guys. Another one, guys, Mr. Luxury. Now, he's going to make a lot on ad revenue because it's in the finance side of it, and he's making between 611 to 9.8, according to Knox Influencer. He's making 8. Yeah, so just short of what they're saying. And look, he's just making stock footage, stock images about the richest person on every continent, talking about that. Cars of famous billionaires, 10 most valuable companies, just things to do with money and wealth, guys. He's not showing his face. He's probably not even talking. He might have a voiceover and that, guys. But yeah, and then you can come over to again Digistore 24. I've just put in personal development. You can use these kind of. You can do this if you really want to better yourself, or you can go on to things like internet marketing, e-business, promote these, tube master monetization, done for you. I've actually got this course, guys. I'm going to talk about it in a minute. Not this actual one, but one of his courses, one of his previous ones. You could do like done for you affiliate marketing, tube monetization. I've actually got this one, guys. Yeah. So what? So you see, guys, you can make money on YouTube, yeah, without showing your face. You can use different niches, depends what you want to go down, and you can make money before you've got monetized. Now, it's better when you've got monetized. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I got monetized, but I showed you my channel, YouTube, Movies, Games, Beyond, guys, yeah, and I used this course. I have bought this course, yeah, Tube Mastery, like is one of his first courses, as well as Jordan 9 to 5's one of his courses. They are both brilliant, but they cost money, guys. Yeah, look, I'm not sure how much they cost. Oh yeah, 997 front end. Yeah, I think his is cheaper, 397. Yeah, and they're both brilliant courses, guys, but they cost hundreds of money. Now this one, after I bought them 2 courses. So I bought these 2 courses, yeah, and although they taught me some things, I didn't seem to be making money. And then I bought this course, yeah, and it's from a guy called Mark, not taught at school. If you want to check his channel out, look, this is it, not taught at school, yeah. And I've kind of followed him, and he just grew and grew and grew, and he made this course, and it's only $97. He used to sell it for $297, but now you can have it today for $97. Yeah, it's a one-time fee, and he shows you everything, guys. He shows you how to make passive income. Now, passive income is where you're making money without doing anything. So once you set it up once, then it's coming in. So you can look at all these different what do you call it, reviews and testimonials and stuff like that, guys. And look, here's me, yeah, the one and only. This is one of my YouTube channels, and you can see huge difference in earnings, and it's all down to listening to Mike and his course. The first 3 months I was trying to do it my way, and the last few months is from listening to Mike's advice. I have said it before, and I'll say it again. Thank you so much, Mike. And look, guys, with the other 2 courses, I wasn't making much money at all, yeah. I got Mike's course, and boom, look, yeah, making money. Now, again, I've spent and wasted money. I won't say wasted, but I've spent money on those courses. They are good, but it's when I started following his blueprint, yeah? He shows you how it works. He shows you like case studies. He shows you niche selection, market research, high-paying products to promote so you can make more money, how to grow your channel very quickly, yeah? The tool, what you need, quick results, unlimited potential with this method. Then it shows the secret keyword process. So you can't just make a video, guys. You need the keywords, you need the tags, you need the how to make your description and that. And this course, he shows you everything, guys. Yeah. And if you come onto this, yeah, I will leave the link in the description. You can come and check it out for yourself, guys. You don't have to buy it, but if you want to fast track it and you want to get more subscribers and get your channel up and running better, then feel free, guys, come and check it out. And now I'm going to show you my channel, guys. This is my channel. And look, if you look at Social Blade, let's just refresh it so it shows it, yeah. Right, this is my channel, Movies, Games, Beyond. I'll show you the social stats. It says I'm making between 333.7 to 5.4. Let's have a look at Knox. Saying we're making 4.9, yeah, guys. So be that what you make. I make lots of different channels. I don't show my face. I mean, I might show my face in some of them. I think on my news channel, look like there's my face on the news ones. But like on your lesbian ones and your top 10 ones, stuff like that, I don't show my face, guys. And the channel's growing and growing. It's currently got 13,000 subscribers, doing well. I just make money. I make money through AdSense and affiliate marketing, guys. I go on to places like Amazon and stuff like that. And if it's talking about movies, I'll put it on. If it's talking about relationships, I go on to Digistore on that. And that's how you make extra money, guys. And it's all down to this course. Now, you don't have to buy it, guys. You can still make money through affiliate marketing using Digistore, ClickBank, lots of the other affiliate sites. Well, this is if you want to fast track it. Like I said, guys, it's a brilliant course. It's only $97. It's a lot cheaper than paying for these courses. Now, there's nothing wrong with these courses, guys. They are brilliant. Yeah, they are very brilliant. Both of them are. I still watch Matt Parr's videos. I still watch Jordan Buy 95 videos all the time. I'm always learning off them both. But with Mark, not taught at school, check his channel out. He shows you everything, guys. Not just about YouTube, how to make money on YouTube. He shows you how to make money online, guys. He's a great guy. He's up front. He's truthful. He shows you how it is. Yeah, he won't tell you to buy something if you don't, if it's not working for him. And just come and check this out, guys. The link is in the description. It'll be the first link you see in the description. And that's it, guys. I hope you like this video. Hope you got some value from it, and hope you found a niche that you want to start promoting, guys, and making videos for. So again, I'm Jay Roberts. This is my channel, Make Money with Video. I show videos how to make money online, different using video, different apps and that. So feel free to come and check it out, guys. And if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Until next time, guys, thanks very much. Goodbye.